So is the plan you're gonna walk the whole lake?
Think it's deep now?
They are shorebirds. Look at them. What are they, dude? What are they, though? Are they all mergs?
I think they're all
They just landed. Oh, look, there's three that weren't. Do you see the three
What's going on,
big
folks?
ducks?
Thanks for joining me on another episode of Ducks Gun Chronicles. Out here for an evening hunt up in UP, Michigan. And look who I ran into up here. How you doing, man?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, long time no see. So hopefully we get on some ducks. We did a little bit of scout, paddled all the way across, and we could see a bunch of ducks on the water. Turned out it was like 200 common mergansers and a handful of divers. So we came all the way back. It was quite the paddle, but we are set up, ready to go. Hopefully some of these till show up for the evening stint. So stay tuned.
Oh, he's high. Solo.
How high?
It's shootable if he flies over. See him?
No, I don't.
He's at 4 o'clock.
Oh, yeah. Turning.
This thing's going nuts.
I lost him. You ready?
Yeah.
Take him.
Nice. That was a hell of a shot. Good luck, Chief. That was a good shot.
Attaboy, Chief. Dude, I didn't know what he was gonna do, but he came in. Hold on, buddy. Sorry, Chief. This is rough. Good boy, Chief. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy, Chief. Sorry, Chief. Come here, buddy. Come on. This is so gross. What's going on, folks? Thanks for joining me on another episode of Ducks Gun Chronicles up here in UP, Michigan, and we've been having a blast. We hiked in a mile this morning to this backwoods pond. We're hearing ducks quack, wings whistle, and it's about to get hot. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a good one. I just know whenever I decide to do it.
There's about 5. There's like 10 in front of them. Creek towards us.
I don't see him yet.
He's behind the trees right now. He's gonna come over this point of the trees. He's dead.
Oh, that was so cool. Oh, he was too close, man. I took my proof cylinder out. I'm gonna probably have to go over there with him. I don't know. You think he's dead?
I think you hit him on that second one and killed him.
He's not gonna get deep enough in there. I'm scared to cross. Hunt, hunt, hunt. Chief, here. Come here, buddy. Here, come on. Good boy, come on. Give. Good boy, buddy. Dude, that's sketchy getting across, but.
Alrighty, folks. Well,
guess I got to do it again.
That was exhilarating. That is just, oh man, I can't believe I finally got a greenhead in my hands. Been trying for how many hunts now? Finally, and he did it right. So that's super cool. Super cool. Just loving the scenic area we're hunting today. Mallard was awesome, and stay tuned. Hopefully, we got more coming in. What's going on, folks? I am back from the hunt, and I wanted to show you guys my setup for the whole weekend. Actually truck camped the whole weekend, so I'm going to show you how I accomplished that. Really went with the most simplistic setup I could go with. Have the canoe and canoed in and walked in everywhere. Had just a dozen decoys so we could walk in pretty easy. Have the FA flocked heads, or flocked black ducks, and the mallards with the flocked heads. And then I was running the motion ducks with the FA new wood ducks. So that was pretty much a nice, compact, easy setup for the decoys on all these kind of walk-in, low complexity hunts that I was trying to go with the whole style of the trip going out there. So here's a look in the truck, guys. I was actually sleeping in the back, and well, it looks like a lot of room. It's not near as comfortable as the bus. I missed the bus big time, but I mean, diesel prices and fuel prices have just gone up like crazy. Mileage on that is, as you can imagine, isn't great. Truck is a lot better, so that's why I went on that, to save money. But it's going to be a hard sell to do it again because I just enjoy the bus way more. But had food up here, my charging station for batteries and keeping everything rolling. Still a little bit of a mess. And then to show you kind of the gear I was running for those walk-ins, man, this actual waterfowl backpack was awesome. New feature here that I tried. You can actually attach your gun to the side of the blind bag. So here's a clip of that. You can attach your gun to the side of that, and some of these walks we were walking miles. Still running the Weatherby 18i 20 gauge shooting Boss number 5s. So anyways, guys, really enjoyed the weekend out there. Bird numbers again were not as, it wasn't impressive. So, you know, when there's not birds out there, you're doing a lot of scouting, a lot of looking, a lot of exploring, and it was just, I just had a blast out there and was glad to have the few birds we had come in and get it done on that. So next week, guys, we got another opener. I'm super excited about it. We're gonna pack up and head out. So stay tuned, guys. I'm Jordan, Ducks Gun Chronicles, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.